How to delete Chime account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can delete Chime account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're already logged into your Chime account and if you want to delete or close your account, then what you have to do is, once you're logged in, head towards your profile. Once you're on your profile, there tap on personal info. So once you land on personal info page, if you navigate at the very bottom of the interface there, you will find close account option. You have to tap on close account and you have to follow the remaining steps. On the next steps, you will see a statement. Make sure to read this statement. Once done, tap on submit request. After that, your account will be closed permanently. So that's the way to delete Chime account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.